Hi and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios and it is Corvette time. We got a beautiful 63 Corvette convertible Roadster here. Real rare, it's an automatic as well. If you're wondering how you can buy a car online, well, it's a real easy process. It's probably easier than dealing with your local dealer. You call me, we get a deposit, we overnight you all the original paperwork, you do a bank wire, and we deliver your car. How easy is that? And we do these videos so our clients can make good choices about their decisions on buying their first muscle car or their 10th muscle car. And also, you're not going to be disappointed in this beautiful red Corvette. Come on up and let's take a look at it. Underneath the hood we have a wonderful powered 327, power steering. This little Corvette sure drives like a dream. This is a drop-dead gorgeous car. It's a C1 first year of the mid-years, a 1963, and what a better color than Riverside Red. This is one awesome sports car. I'm going to drop the hood. We're going to take a walk around the car and take you for a little ride. This is one super straight Corvette. All panels are the way they should be. Drives super straight, brakes awesome. Sitting on some beautiful tiger paws on it looks like they are chrome. Well, they are chrome wire wheels, true spoked wheels. Absolutely beautiful. The paint is near flawless. I don't like saying anything isn't flawless, but it is a flawless paint job on here. Looks absolutely beautiful. All the chrome, trim, everything's impeccable shape. One piece of molding by the windshield has a little bit of a scrape on it. Very, very minimal. Just critiquing the vehicle, but it is one gorgeous Stingray, guys. Call Tom today. These do not last in this condition. 248-974-9513. Your jaw will drop when this pulls up in your driveway and you go for a ride. Wow, what a beautiful interior. All the gauges work. The only thing that does not work is the clock. It has a beautiful white top and unbelievable undercarriage, rust-free. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. The dash over the passenger seat has one little crack in it. But besides that, the interior is absolutely impeccable. Call Tom today. Don't miss out on your dream car. 248-974-9513, because at Vanguard Motor Sales we're dedicated to parking your dream in your drive. right, Aubrey, let's go for a ride in this awesome little 63 convertible. What a fun car this is to drive. You can use one hand and drive this car. It's absolutely awesome. It's got a little 2-speed power glide, automatic transmission, wonderful 327 motor, and just I can't express how fun this car is to drive. And talk about the looks. I mean, everyone's dream car is a Corvette. Don't forget to go to Vanguard Motor Sales and become part of our social network at YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook, so you can see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. And also, if you're in the market for a classic car, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buy a classic car online. My name is Tom Fotios, and remember, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. If we don't have what you're looking for, call me. I'd love to help you find your car. Stay tuned for the next pass at Vanguard Motor Sales.